Take some tomatoes in a microwavable utensil. Heat the tomatoes in the microwave for around 2 minutes. Pick some mint leaves, add it to the mortar and ground it till it's a fine paste. Take out the tomatoes, peel off its outer cover and smash it well. Then add the grinded mint to the paste. Add some salt, Szechuan pepper, black pepper, and mix it well. Add some ground sesame seeds and a fine quality mustard oil. Add few drops of lemon and mix it well. Now your achar is ready to be served. It's very good.